We haven't really been getting out much lately due to the situation and travelling anywhere, but we've just come for a drive out today, and today we're visiting a place called Lytham St Annes. It's only going to be a very short video, but I'll just show you what it looks like to have a walk along the front. As you can see, they've made the most of it, making it as pretty as possible, so it is a lovely place to take a walk. It does look lovely, although for some reason they've put an incredible amount of colouring in the water. I've no idea why they felt they needed to add colour into the water, because it would have looked really nice without it, but they've used a lot. I mean, look how green that water is, the colour of it. There's plenty of birds along the front and it doesn't really seem to be affecting them, but I hope it is safe because there's a lot of colour in here. There's a great little play area here for big kids and little kids. And there's also a little train you can go and ride on. Through that little gap there, as you can see here, there's this cute little mini golf course. The time of recording this video, it's April, so it's before the season starts. There's a little fair, and although it's closed now, I'm sure it'll be open very soon. Just take a look down this path. Look how pretty all this is. They really have gone to a lot of effort, and the flowers are absolutely gorgeous. This place has got a very chilled, laid-back atmosphere. It's a great place to take a walk. We've got a nice little fountain here, and I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but the colour of the water is incredibly blue. Again, loads of colouring used. Oh well, that's the end of the video for today. We're going to go and find something to eat now. But thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.